Looking for a truck to do some pulling, enclosed trailer, maybe a camper? Hey, let's check this one out. 2001 GMC K3500 Crew Cab SLE 4x4, and best of all, 2-owner vehicle, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and low miles, just a little over 35,000 is all on this one. Special paint option from GMC, and underneath the hood, 8100 Vortec V8, and that is paired up with the 5-speed Allison automatic transmission. And as you can see, some aftermarket components from the bug shield to the running boards, the visor, graphics, tonneau cover, and then of course your modern amenities that you're going to get with power steering, power brakes, AC. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see a copy of the window sticker, and underneath pics, engine bay pics, interior, over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. When you take a look at that window sticker, you're going to see the standard options that this came with the SLE package, and you're also going to see some of the optional equipment, such as that 5-speed Allison automatic transmission, power seats both sides, locking rear diff, electronic transfer case, electric rear defogger, and the trailering group package. As we take a look at the interior, which you can see is the 40-20-40 combination front seat, and then the bench in the rear, so you do have 6 passenger seating. Something else to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There is a bed liner in this. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Of course, the dual exhaust, and again, that trailering package, trailering group package. And take your time looking through the still pictures. Like I said, you'll see the window sticker, picture of that in with the still pics. Tell you exactly how this is equipped. There's also a picture of the RPO codes in there. uniqueclassiccars.com. As far as paint shows well, yes, the truck's been driven. It will have a few imperfections here or there, maybe a little chip that's been touched up or what have you, but overall it shows very well, especially considering it's a 2001. But again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and only a little over 35,000 original miles. Of course, your other modern amenities: power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, power mirrors, power seats, both sides, push button 4-wheel drive. And we're going to go ahead and fire this up. Let's hear it run. Take a little closer look at this interior. Look at the engine bay. There's your exact miles, 35,691. Top of the dash. And it does, as you can see, have this wood grain dress-up kit added to the interior. AM, FM, CD player. Interior, what you'd expect with that kind of miles. Really not much wear on the seats, the bolster, anything. Headliner intact, all good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Good sounding truck. And again, bed liner installed. Take a look at the still pictures. I got the tonneau cover up for some of the still pictures. And I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood. We'll check out that engine bay, or that 8100 sitting, and finish up this video. There's a look at the hood liner. There it is, 8.1 Vortec V8. You want some pulling power? There it is. Cold air intake for a lot of power. Again, what you'd expect from a truck with this kind of miles on it. 2-owner, clean Carfax, 35,692. 2001 GMC K3500 Crew Cab SLE 4x4, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2001 GMC Sierra. This is a quad cab. This is a dually. It's an awesome yellow color. We got scoops on the hood. It has decorative wood on the inside. Seems to be loaded. Handles really good. Runs the way a truck should. We've got a spoiler on the back of the tonneau cover on the bed. Sounds great. Let's get her up to speed. We got a lot of power. This has a temperature gauge for the transmission on the dash. All our gauges seem to be working properly. The radio works great. The wipers work great. It's comfortable. Lots of room in this quad cab. It's dressed up nicely. Whether you're gonna just have fun with it or use it for some work or some towing, it seems like it's good to go. Brakes work great. Just a fun truck.